This 5-minute solution will show you in this video. I'm gonna be walking through, can you get back my eyes only? Can you access my eyes only on Snapchat without passcode? Follow these easy steps to get the correct answer. So currently here we can see I'm in my eyes only section, and here asking for passcode. And for example, I forgot my eyes only passcode. Now if I tap on options, and here if I tap on change passcode, to change your my eyes only passcode, here you have to put your current passcode. But as I said before, I forgot my passcode. So I'm tapping on back, again tapping on options. And now if I tap on forgot passcode, and now I need to put here my Snapchat account passcode. And now tapping on next. And after verifying my Snapchat account passcode or password, here we can see when you forget your passcode, you can no longer access my eyes only. If you would like to create a new passcode, you will lose everything currently saved to my eyes only. So from here, so if you're trying to reset your passcode, you'll be able to easily do it from here, but all of your saved my eyes only photos and videos will be removed. And now I'm going back from here. Many YouTube videos are showing you can recover my eyes only photos and videos. Many YouTube videos are showing you can recover my eyes only photos and videos by submitting a request to Snapchat support. Now let's see, is it really work or not? So I'm going back from here and tapping on my profile photo, tapping on settings, and here I'm scrolling down and tapping on I need help. And in this search box, I'm typing here my eyes, and now I'm tapping on I forgot my eyes only passcode. Sorry. And now here we can see this article. If you don't know your current passcode, if you forgot your current passcode and choose to reset it, you will lose everything currently saved to my eyes only. Unfortunately, if you don't know your current my eyes only passcode, there is no way to access snaps that you saved to my eyes only. And here, Team Snapchat cannot help you to recover or access your forgotten passcode or snaps that you saved to my eyes only. So here is no option to recover your saved my eyes only photos and videos. If you forgot your passcode, you will be lose everything you saved in my eyes only. If you find this video helpful, make sure to subscribe 5-minute solution. See you in the next video.